want to share a quick tutorial with you. How I curl my hair in about 10 minutes. And of course, it's with the Beachwaver. Let's just take a minute for this brand new green from the pastel collection. It's finished, 8 minutes, 32 seconds. And that was a very quick curling session, which is generally how I curl my hair. I don't take extra time because I usually don't have extra time to spend on my hair. One section I did redo over here on this side. So anyway, all said and done, not too bad. I'm going to kind of fluff it out a little bit and then you guys can see the final result. All right, guys, we're done. Super quick, super easy. Love the loose curls, perfect beach waves. It's amazing. This hairstyling tool, the Beachwaver, literally is my ride or die. Will not travel without it. It's so stinking good. The easiest hair tool ever. And I love it. It's so good. All right, guys, how'd I do? What do you think? Are we loving the beach waves?